Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Layla, here. So today I'm just doing a little intro for my mom. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Oh, my lovely Layla. She's so cute. Thank you, Layla. Okay, so today we are doing 2 Dutch pours. They're going to have the same colors applied on top, but one's going to have a black base, and then the next one I do is going to have a white base, both with the same size canvas. So this black is by Amsterdam. It's the Oxide Black. I am just going around the edges. It's a 12 by 14 inch deep edge canvas, so I'm really making sure I cover up those sides to make sure there's no canvas showing through, no white showing through. And you can see how I mix my paints for the Dutch pour. And check out the description box below for mixing video links. And again, I'm just making sure those edges are covered. I'll go over the colors here with you. So this is Metallic Teal by DickBlick. And then we have Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. And then Matisse Carbon Black. And this is this little Piggy ball gown. It's an interference gold. The pigments I'm using today in the video are only mixed with the gel water mix. You can see how I mix those videos in the description box below. There will be a link to the video. And then we have the Matisse Copper. And I did put in this little Piggy Galaxy as well. Oop. So that copper definitely packs a punch. I do feel like I had my black base coat too thin, and I was mixing and I was like, oh, this is a little thin for my liking. And I was being lazy, and instead of thickening it back up by adding just a bit of paint, I just went with it. However, I do like the results, so it moved a lot. So now we're just blowing over with my travel hair dryer. I didn't have to kind of fine tweak this, like blow with my mouth or anything like that. I was happy with how it was. It did move a lot. I did have a good amount of paint on there, but it is drying nicely today, so no need to worry. I'm just scraping off the drips to help stop the movement. And in a minute here, I'll bring you guys in for a close-up, and then we will head on to Dutch pour number 2. So yes, it's very important to go around and scrape the drips off the side. Okay, now we'll come in for a close-up now. So yes, I love it. It spread out a lot. I do love the effect though. It looks really cool. The copper I think is stunning. It might be too much copper for some, but I do love it. I am iffy on the shade of blue that I chose for this piece. And I see 2 sleeping puppies there cuddling with an elephant. Let me know if you guys see that too. And Goofy in this painting. I see Goofy. So let me know if you guys see that. And then we're going to do a lights off flash on. I just want you guys to see the shimmer in there and the ball gown. I do think this is a stunning piece, and I'm happy to say that it is drying perfectly today. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. The metallic teal. Should I have used maybe a more greenish blue? Or am I just obsessed with greenish blue? I'm just automatically thinking I should have chose that. So let me know what you guys think. There's the two little sleeping puppies cuddling with an elephant. And there's Goofy. All right, and then we're going to move on to number 2. I'm just going to stick in our collaboration trailer for you guys to check out just after this flash on. Forgot about it. I just really want you guys to see the detail because there's so much going on and it's always looks so much different in person. So try to capture that in the video for you guys to actually get to see as much as I'm seeing when I'm standing over the painting. There's the elephant.
Hi, I'm Shelley from Shelley Art, and welcome to this little piggy's first birthday collaboration.
Hey guys, I'm Erica Hughes.
Hey everybody, I'm Mitch from Rain and Paws, and this is the Big Little Piggy Party.
Yes, I, Raina, your friendly neighborhood witch. What the fuck? This works.
I'm Pranal from Pranal Arts.
Hi guys, welcome to Nikki Art.
Hello, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. Hi guys, it's Jodie.
This is Garrick Brown Art Studios.
Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to the Piggy Party.
All right, thanks for watching that, guys. I hope you didn't mind. I'm super excited about that collaboration. It's going to be so much fun. So stay tuned for that. That'll be August 14th and 15th. My video will be on the 15th, Sunday the 15th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so we're doing the same thing just with a white base, and I think I did switch up the order of the colors just to suit the white base, or as I saw fit. The white base is Amsterdam Titanium White with Floetrol and water for consistency. And again, the same colors. And I sped it up a little bit so you guys don't get, bored. So just blowing the base over a little bit and then pushing out. And I realized that I kind of missed a big pool of color in the middle. So hesitantly, I went back and pushed off some more of that paint so it would dry and so we get more color. This one spread a little bit as well, and I do speed that up, I think like times 20 so you guys can see it right about now. And I'm just kind of hanging out and scraping the bottom of the canvas. And here we go for the close-ups. That was a quick one for you guys. Now I do like I think I like the blue in this one. So with the white background. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for joining me again today. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!